Hello everyone, my name is Ash, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Excel Linguals. Today we will learn about Excel and its features. So without wasting your time, let's start learning. Excel is a very powerful tool for data analysts, data workers, and so on. Business companies have a lot of data to check their growth and strategies, so it's very important for employees to have a good knowledge of Excel. So let's begin with our tutorial. In the last video, we learned how to open Excel and about its interface, and in this video, we will use these tools. In Excel, if you're presenting your data to someone, the most important thing is that your data should be neat, clean, and aligned properly so it can be readable to anyone, and we can do this using the Home tab option. As you can see, I have data which is totally messed up, and it's not readable to a person, so we can fix this using Home tab options. First of all, we are going to change the width and height of rows and columns. You can perform this task in multiple ways, using shortcuts, using the mouse, and using the Home tab format options. And in this video, we are going to use the Home tab options. Step 1. Select all your data. After that, go to the Home tab, where you will find the Format option. Step 2. Click on the Auto Fit Rows and Auto Fit Columns options. After that, your data rows and height will be automatically set according to your data. But still, a few data points are not aligned properly. We can fix this using Align Left, Align Right, and Center command in the Home option. Simply go to this command and click on any option you want to align your data in any manner, either left, right, or center. There are a lot of options in Excel for formatting in the Home tab, like wrapping text, border, cell color, text color, bold, and so on. So try these options on your own and master these commands, and you will learn how to use them to clean your data. You will not be a master of Excel without performing these actions yourself. So try out all these options, and we will meet in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to learn new thing. If you like the video, hit the like button. Have a good day, and keep learning with Excel Linguals.